Welcome back, viewers. You're watching The Savira and I'm Shafali. Kanpur police has arrested 26-year-old Shivam Mishra, son of a well-known tobacco businessman, in connection with the high-speed Lamborghini crash that left 3 people injured. The arrest was made a day after disciplinary action was taken against a local station house officer for alleged lapses in handling the case. The accident occurred near Ringwala Choraha on Sunday when a Lamborghini Rolto, reportedly linked to the tobacco exporter K.K. Mishra's firm, allegedly went out of control at high speed. Police and eyewitnesses said that car first hit an auto rickshaw and a stationary motorcycle before climbing onto the pavement and hitting pedestrians. Auto rickshaw driver Tausif Ahmed and 2 motorcycle riders Vishal and Sonu Tripathi sustained injuries in the crash. Following Ahmed's complaint, an FIR was initially filed against an unknown driver under sections related to rash and negligent driving, endangering life, and causing hurt by dangerous means under the Bharatiya Nyaya Samhita. Police later said that their investigation confirmed Shivam Mishra was behind the wheel, after which his name was added to the case. Kanpur Police Commissioner Raghubir Lal confirmed that the luxury vehicle had been seized. He stated that Mishra was driving at the time and was reportedly pulled out of the car by private security personnel accompanying him. Police said claims regarding Mishra's alleged medical conditions are being verified as part of the investigation. Witnesses described the crash as extremely severe, claiming the motorcycle was hit with such force that the rider was thrown several feet. The Lamborghini reportedly climbed onto the motorcycle's front wheel and dragged it some distance before coming to a stop. Locals alleged that soon after the crash, bouncers traveled in another vehicle arrived, broke the Lamborghini's window and pulled Mishra out in an unconscious state. They further claimed the security personnel tried to remove him from the scene, leading to a scuffle before he was taken to hospital. Video circulating on social media reportedly shows security staff extracting him from the driver's seat. Amid speculation that Mishra may have been under the influence of alcohol, police said the matter will be confirmed through medical examination and forensic reports. Officials also said tests are being conducted to determine whether epilepsy or any other medical condition could have contributed to the crash. Mishra's family has claimed he suffered a seizure while driving and said he had experienced similar episodes over the last 6 months. However, his lawyer has denied that Mishra was driving, claiming a chauffeur was at the wheel and arguing that Mishra's health is fragile. A court application has reportedly been filed and further legal proceedings are expected. Meanwhile, police removed Gualatoli SHO Satosh Gaur from his post, accusing him of negligence and failure to follow proper procedure after the incident. The police commissioner said the role of transport authorities may also be examined if medical findings suggest Mishra was medically unfit to drive. The case has drawn wider attention as the Mishra family had earlier faced scrutiny during income tax raid in March 2024 when crash and several luxury vehicles were seized from properties linked to the business group.
माननीय न्यायालय के समक्ष सारे बिंदुओं पर बहस हुई। जो मुकदमा है उस मुकदमे में जो अभियुक्त है उसके द्वारा शपथ पत्र दिया गया है और शपथ पत्र इस आशय का दिया गया कि मैं उस गाड़ी का स्थायी रूप से चालक हूं और घटना वाले दिन मैंने इस घटना को कारित किया था। बराबर पुलिस के संपर्क में रहा। जो इंजर्ड है और उस मुकदमे का मुद्दई है, जो उस मुकदमे का वादी है, उसने समझौता किया है और सारा कंपनसेशन उसने ले लिया है और लेने के बाद में उसने एक नीचे लाइन लिखी है कि मैं इस मुकदमे में किसी भी तरह की कोई कार्रवाई नहीं चाहता। जब उसको कंपनसेशन मिल गया है, वो कार्रवाई नहीं चाहता है। इसके बाद में उससे ज्यादा अच्छी शिनाख्त कौन कर सकता है? उसने स्वयं ही चालक की शिनाख्त की है। जब उसने चालक की शिनाख्त की है तो उसी चालक की तरफ से प्रार्थना पत्र दिया गया है, लेकिन पुलिस अपना इन्वेस्टिगेशन कर रही है। वो इन्वेस्टिगेशन करती रहे, न्यायालय का आदेश आना जो है वो प्रतीक्षा रहे।
एक सवाल बनता है।
हाँ।
पुलिस का कहना है जो उनकी जांच चल रही है, जो उनके पास साक्ष्य है, उसमें शिवम मिश्रा गाड़ी चलाते हुए दिख रहा है और जो एक माननीय न्यायालय के अंदर जो प्रार्थना पत्र लिए जा रहे हैं उसमें कहीं पुलिस की जांच में विरोधाभास है।
ऐसा है कि उस समय पुलिस नहीं थी। ये घटना उस चालक और इंजर्ड के बीच की है। उससे अच्छी इंजर्ड से ज्यादा अच्छी शिनाख्त कौन कर सकता है? पुलिस वहां पर थी नहीं। वो ये कह रहा है कि यही व्यक्ति चालक है। यही व्यक्ति जो है गाड़ी चला रहा था, इसी ने घटना कारित की। तो पुलिस का इन्वेस्टिगेशन जो आएगी, इन्वेस्टिगेशन का रिपोर्ट आएगी।
That's all for now on this update. Stay tuned to the Savira. Download the app and follow us on various social media platforms.